Hello friends. I'm Emily, I'm 9 years old, and today I'm taking you on a fun tour of my little city. Together we will visit some awesome places and learn their names in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. This place is the pharmacy, where I go to buy medicine if I'm sick. The person who works there is called the pharmacist. She is very kind and always helps me get what I need. And this is the supermarket. I go here with my mom to buy fruits like apples and vegetables like carrots. It's a big place with everything we need. Look at this beautiful place. It's the park. I love playing here and walking with my little dog. There are swings and games for kids and lots of trees. I love nature. This is my favorite place. It's the cinema. I go here with my friends to watch new movies. We buy popcorn and sodas. The seats are very comfortable. And finally, here's the small cafe. I go here with my family to eat delicious cakes. I love the muffins they make here. This place is the library. I love coming here to read books and learn new things. You can find books about dinosaurs, space, or even fairy tales. Do you like reading like me? And this is where I learn every day. It's the school. I study math, science, and of course, English here. School is fun because I meet my friends and play with them in the yard. Another great place in my city is the toy store. Here, you can find all the toys you dream of. Dolls, cars, and video games. It's every kid's favorite place. Look at this amazing place. It's the zoo. I love visiting the zoo to see the animals. The giraffe is my favorite because it's so tall. What's your favorite animal? Friends, we've visited many fun places today. The library, the school, the toy store, and the zoo. Do you know these places in your city? Learn the new words and share with us your favorite places. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the city and learned lots of new words. In the second part of the video, we'll revisit some of the special pictures from the tour and explain them in detail. It's a great opportunity to learn more and improve your English. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted when the new video is published. In the center of the image, we see a young girl standing in front of a beautiful European village scene. She is wearing a blue dress with short sleeves and a white decorative collar. Over the dress, she is wearing brown suspenders, adding a rustic touch to her look. Behind the girl, there is a large yellow building that resembles a hotel or a country house. It has 4 arched doors on the ground floor and small windows on the upper floor. The building's roof is made of reddish-brown tiles. To the right of the image, part of another white building with large windows is visible. In the background, we see a tall white tower rising above the other buildings. In the foreground on the right, there is a cluster of beautiful pink flowers. The sky in the background is light blue with a few soft white clouds. In the upper left corner of the sky, we see a hint of pink, suggesting that the time might be near sunset or sunrise. In the center of the image, we see a young girl sitting in a cafe or outdoor garden. Her large brown eyes sparkle with vitality and happiness. In front of the girl on the table, we see a variety of desserts and drinks. A large cake decorated with blueberries and yellow cream. A cupcake with yellow cream that the girl is holding in her hand. A green drink, possibly matcha tea, in a paper cup. A white cup of tea or coffee. A piece of brown cake on a small plate. The scene is surrounded by beautiful decor. A blue wooden fence in the background. Large blue flower pots containing pink and blue flowers. Green plants and flowers surrounding the table. In the background, we see green trees and a blue sky with light clouds, suggesting a sunny and beautiful day. In the center of the picture, we see a young girl sitting on a swing in a home garden. Her large blue eyes shine with liveliness and happiness, and her wide, bright smile reflects her playful mood. Next to the girl on the swing, we see a small white and brown dog. The dog also looks happy, with its tongue sticking out in a playful expression. The scene is surrounded by a beautiful garden. A blue wooden fence in the background, pink flowers and green plants growing by the fence, lush green trees in the background, a clear blue sky with a few light clouds. Overall, the picture conveys a feeling of joy, energy, and enjoyment of a playful moment outdoors. It captures a fun time in a lovely home garden. In the center of the picture, we see a young woman and a little girl shopping in a grocery store. The young woman is pushing a blue shopping cart. The little girl, who looks to be of elementary school age, is wearing a pink jacket over a white and blue striped shirt. Her short blonde hair is tied in a small ponytail. She is holding a handful of blueberries and looking at the woman with excitement and happiness. In the shopping cart, we see a variety of fruits, including a pineapple. The background of the scene is grocery store shelves filled with colorful fruits and vegetables. We see a variety of products like grapes, apples, lettuce, and more. In the background, a blue door can be seen, possibly the entrance to a cooling room. The store's lighting is bright and clean, highlighting the fresh produce and creating a comfortable and lively atmosphere. Overall, the picture conveys a feeling of happiness and energy during a family shopping experience. In the center of the picture, we see two young women sitting at an outdoor table. The girl on the left has short, wavy red hair. She is wearing a yellow sweater over a white shirt. She is resting her chin on her hand and smiling warmly. Her large blue eyes reflect her happiness. The girl on the right has long, wavy blonde hair. She is also smiling kindly, and her bright blue eyes shine. On the wooden table in front of them, we see a variety of food and drinks. 2 coffee cups, one white and the other black. A slice of chocolate cake on a white plate. A cup with a brown drink topped with whipped cream. Blueberries and raspberries scattered on the table. A large bouquet of purple flowers decorating the table. The background of the scene shows a beautiful countryside house. White walls with blue wooden panels. A blue door in the background. Wooden windows. Green plants and shrubs around the house. In the distance, we can see a glimpse of the sea or a blue lake. Overall, the picture conveys a feeling of warmth, friendship, and relaxation.